Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft Video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas centerpieces, bunch centerpieces on decorations on your table. As you know that without decorations Merry Christmas is so incomplete. So I collect beautiful ideas of my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my YouTube channel in these collections. 70 plus unique ideas that reset and transfer your beautiful house and beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpieces. Design for my viewers, beautiful ideas, beautiful creativity. Fresh idea for fresh years and the designs will look so attractive. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And give more ideas about how to create and how to transfer your beautiful house on the day of Merry Christmas. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the day of Merry Christmas 2025. These centerpieces look so attractive. Unique idea, beautiful idea and beautiful centerpieces. Decorate your table on Merry Christmas. All the designs are very unique and trending. All our modern way to celebrate and beautiful festival 2025. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love the designs of creativity. If you have any question about my YouTube channel then please ask me in comment box. Please watch this video to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. There is look so attractive, so stylish, so beautiful. All the designs are amazing and beautiful. If you have any question then please ask me in comment box. I hope you enjoy my video. Centerpieces look so attractive and enhance the beauty of your table decorations. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Bye bye.